right, we're getting closer. We're in East Hampton, in a beautiful town. East Hampton encompasses all the boroughs that we'll be in for the rest of the trip, like Amagansett, nice job, buddy. Amagansett, Montauk, Hither Hills State Park is there, part of East Hampton as well too. So, but just to give you a little view of what the Hamptons looks like.
This is town, the beginning of the town, and then at the light, the left is where all the shops are.
Yeah, so there's a lot of shopping here, a lot of boutiques and things, regular stores too, grocery store. It's funny, they have a Stop and Shop here, and the local paper always prints celebrity photos like, you know, Seinfeld getting groceries, or the guy, Leonardo DiCaprio going in and
that was last
picking up a bag of pork rinds or whatever he eats these days. But seriously, they do. People will snap a photo. There's shopping down on the left.
Okay, so that's the main street.
Yeah.
And now we get to the windmill, which is a great landmark.
And it's a nice town. It's a beach town as well. So, you know, not only is it rush hour, we just came through a long, long line of traffic, but it's beach traffic too.
Is that recording still? It looks like it's not.
Yeah, it's recording.
It was just spinning. It was a black screen.
Well, it must have cut out for a second, but.
So we didn't get the windmill. I don't think we did.
It's okay. We're getting everything else. So.
But the windmill.